Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivgat Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 14 rupees and paise. Okay dear students, you know about rupees? Yes, we know that 1 rupees 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Okay, dear sir, we use annotation for rupees as this type. Okay, it means that this is notation of rupees. 1 is equal to 100 paise. Okay distance. Similarly, if we have to take rupees 2, then we get 2 into 100 paise. It means that after multiplying these we get total paise. Okay distance. 2 0 the 0, 2 0 the 0 and 2 1 the 2. Okay so after multiplying these we get 200 paise. Similarly we can say that rupees 3 is equal to 300 paise, rupees 5 is equal to 500 paise, rupees 10 is equal to, yes, 10 100. It means that 1000 paise. Okay students, now let's start your next topic. Now is this, dear students, please open page number 127. Okay, page number 127. Question is, convert the following into paise. Convert the following into paise. Convert the following into paise. Okay distance, in this question here given that 6 question. Question number 1 is 2 rupees is equal to 2 rupees is equal to how many paise? Question number 2 is 12 rupees is equal to how many paise? Question number 3 is rupees 5.40 is equal to how many paise? Question number 4 is rupees 54.74 is equal to how many paise? And question number 5 is rupees 28.25 is equal to, here given that box and here paise. And question number 6 is rupees 48.05 is equal to box and here paise. Okay distance, in this question here given that 6 part. Okay, now let's start the solution of question number 1. Here given that 2 rupees is equal to how many paise? Dear students, in this question we should find 2 rupees is equal to how many paise by the multiplication by 100. Okay students, it means that if we have to change rupees into paise, then we have to take the multiplication of 100 in given rupees. Okay students, now let's start the solution of question number 1. Dear students, we know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Then 2 rupees is equal to 2 into 100 paise. Okay students, we have to take the multiplication of 100 in given rupees. Okay, then we get the answer of this question. Okay students, after multiplying these we get 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 ones are 2 paise. Here we get 200 paise. Therefore here we can write 200 paise. Understand? Okay. Now let's start question number 2. Here given that 12 rupees. Dear students, we know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Then 12 rupees is equal to, dear students, if we have to take the multiplication of 12 by 100 paise, after multiplying these we get 12 zeros are 0, 12 zeros are 0 and 12 ones are 12. It means that 1200 paise. Okay students, it means that 1200 paise. Understand? Therefore here we can write 1200 paise. Okay, similarly we can solve all given question. Look, in question number 3rd, here given that rupees 5.40, rupees 5.40 is equal to, this one we know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Then rupees 5.40 is equal to, if we have to take the multiplication of 5.40 by 100 paise, okay, by 100 paise, then we get the answer of this question. Okay, look, after multiplying these we get 0 0 0 is 0, 0 4 is 0, 0 5 is 0. Again we have to take the multiplication of 0, 0 0 is 0, 0 4 is 0, 0 5 is 0. Okay, again we have to take the multiplication by 1 in this, 1 0 is 0, 1 4 is 4 and 1 5 is 5. Okay students, after adding these we get 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4 and here we can write 5 as 10. Okay, just once look at here carefully. Here given that a decimal point attached before 2 digit place, 1 2 digit place. Okay students, here decimal point attached before 2 digit place, therefore we can take decimal point before 2 digit place, which gives 540. Okay students, it means that rupees 5.40 is equal to 540 paise. Okay, here we take 540. Okay, similarly we can solve all given question. Look at here carefully. Now is this, okay students, in this question here given that rupees 54.74. Listen, we know that rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise, then rupees 54.74 is equal to distance. If we have to take the multiplication of 54.74 by 100 paise, then we get the answer of this question. Okay, 100 paise. Okay, distance, look, 54.74 multiplied by 100. Okay, after multiplying this we get here given that 54.74 and here given that 20. Okay, therefore firstly we have to take 20 as same, then we have to take the multiplication by 1 in this, then we get 1 4 ja 4, 1 7 ja 7, 1 4 ja 4, 1 5 ja 5. Okay, okay distance, firstly we have to take 20 as same, then we have to take the multiplication by 1 in this, 1 4 ja 4, 1 7 ja 7, 1 4 ja 4, 1 5 ja 5. Understand? This one, look at here carefully. Here decimal point attached before 2-digit place. Okay, therefore here we have to take decimal point attached before 2-digit place. It means that here we have to take decimal point before 2-digit place. Okay, distance. It means that after multiplying these we get 5474. Therefore here we can write 5474. Okay, similarly we have to solve question number 5. Question number 5 is, just look at it carefully. Here given that rupees 28.25. Okay, okay distance in this question, here we remove decimal point from here, then we can change rupees into paise. Okay, it means that 54.74 is equal to 5474. Similarly we can write in this question rupees 28.25 is equal to 2825 paise. Okay distance, here we have to remove the given decimal point. Okay, similarly we can write rupees 48.05 is equal to, this one if we have to convert the given rupees into paise, then we have to remove only this decimal point. Okay, therefore we can write rupees 48.05 is equal to 4805 paise. Okay distance, understand? This ones please write in math book. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, now read this. Okay distance, now let's start next question. Next question is, convert the following into convert the following into rupees and paise. Rupees and paise. Okay distance, in this question have 5 parts. Question number 1 is 575 पैसे is equal to rupees dash dash and dash dash पैसे. Okay, students. Similarly, in question number second, they are given 1875 paise is equal to rupees and dash paise. Okay, students. Similarly, in question number third, they are given that 5609 paise is equal to rupees dash and dash paise. Okay, students. In question number 4, they are given that 12,025 paise is equal to rupees how many and how many paise. Okay, students. And last question number 5 is 25,135 paise is equal to rupees how many and dash paise. Okay, dear students, look at here carefully. In this question, here given that 575 paise is equal to how many rupees and how many paise. Okay, students, it means that this one we know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. It means that rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. Okay, this one, if we have to take the division of given paise, okay, then we have to convert the given paise into rupees and paise. Okay, sons, look at here carefully. Here we have to take the division of 575 by 1000 by 100 by 100. Okay, okay, recalls table of 100. 100 5 ja 500. After subtracting this, we get 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 0 is 7. Okay, distance, and 5 minus 5 is 0. It means that cancel out. Here we get 5 as quotient, and here we get 75 as remainder. Okay, distance. Then here we have to write 5 in rupees. Okay. Okay, distance, and 75 in paise. Okay, okay, distance. Then we get 575 paise is equal to rupees 5 and 75 paise. Understand? Similarly, we have to solve all given question. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. In this question, here given that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise and rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. We know that rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. Okay, distance, and here given 1875 paise. Therefore, we have to take the division of 1875 by 100. Okay, 100 1 ja 100. After subtracting this, we get 7 minus 0 is 7, 8 minus 0 is 8, and 1 minus 1 is 0. It means that cancel out, and here we have to take 5 as same. Okay, difference, and 100 8 is 800. After subtracting this, we get 5 minus 0 is 5, and 7 minus 0 is 7, 8 minus 8 is 0. It means that cancel out. Here we get 75. It means that after solving these, we get 18 as quotient and 75 as remainder. Okay students, therefore we have to take 18 in rupees and 75 in paise. Okay students, look at here carefully. Here given that 3-digit number, okay, here given that 3-digit number, last 2 digit number we can write in paise, okay distance, and rest 1 digit, it means that rest digit we can write in rupees. Okay, similarly look at here carefully, here given that 4-digit number, okay, it means that distance, if we have to take last 2 digit number in paise and rest 2-digit number in rupees, then we get the answer of this question. Okay students, understand? Now with this, similarly we can solve all given question. Okay students, look at here carefully, here given that 4-digit number, okay, okay students, we are given that 4-digit number, therefore we take last 2-digit number, okay, then last 2-digit number we can write in paise, it means that here we can write 09 and rest 2-digit number we can write in rupees, it means that 5609 paise is equal to 56 rupees and 9 paise. Okay students, similarly we can write 1000, similarly we can solve question number 4 and 5. Okay students, look here we get 5-digit number, it means that we have to take last 2 digit in paise, therefore we can write 25 is here, okay, and rest 3-digit number we can write in rupees, it means that here we can write 120. Okay, look, 12,025 paise is equal to rupees 120 and 25 paise. Okay difference, similarly in question number 5, do it yourself. Okay difference, question number 5, do it yourself. Do it yourself. Okay, now let this, okay distance, now let's start next question. Next question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay, in this question have 5 parts. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Look, in question number 1 is box rupees 2 coin makes rupees 20, rupees 20, 50 paise coin makes make rupees 6, rupees 50 plus rupees 20 plus rupees 10 plus rupees 5 is equal to rupees box. Okay, in question number 4, rupees 12 plus 75 paise is equal to rupees box. And question number 5 is box 5 rupees note make rupees 100. Okay, discuss. Look at here carefully. Here given that 5 questions. Okay. So question number 1 is box rupees 2 coin makes rupees 20. It means that here we should find the total number of coin makes rupees 20. Okay, of 2 rupees. Okay, distance. It means that here we should find the total number of 2 rupees coin makes rupees 20. Understand? Okay. Distance. Look at here carefully. If we have to take the division of 20 rupees by 2, then we get the total number of coin. Okay, distance. It means that in this question here we have to take the division of 20 by 2, then we get the total number of coin of 2 rupees. Okay, distance. Now let's start the division of 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. It means that cancel out. Here we have to take 0 as same. 2 0 is 0. Okay, after subtracting this we get. It means that 10 coin. Okay, distance 10 coin. It means that 10 rupees 2 coins make rupees 20. Okay, distance. Similarly, here we have to take the division of 6 rupees by 50 paise, then we get the answer of this question. Okay, distance. We know that 6 rupees. Firstly, we have to convert rupees into paise. Okay, distance. We know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Then 6 rupees is equal to 6 into 100. It means that 600 paise. Okay, 6 0 is 0, 6 0 is 0, 6 1 is 6. Okay, sons. And here given that 50 paise. Therefore, we have to take the division of 600 paise by 50. 50 1 is 50. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, sons. And here we have to take 0. 52 is 100. Here we get 12. Okay. It means that 12 50 paise coin makes rupees 6. Understand? Okay. Now read this. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Here given that rupees 50 plus rupees 20 plus rupees 10 plus rupees 5. Then we have to arrange the addition of rupees 50, rupees 20 and rupees 10 and rupees 5. Okay, then we after adding these we get the total rupees. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5. Here we can write 5. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, and here we get 8. It means that if we have to add the given rupees, then we get 85. Okay, it means that rupees 85. Okay, students. Similarly, look at here carefully. Here given that 12 rupees and here 75 paise. Then we can write this in the form of decimal point. Okay, students. It means that rupees 12 plus 75 paise is equal to rupees 12.75. Okay, distance we have to take 75 after decimal point and 12 before decimal point. Okay, distance. Look, 5 rupees notes makes rupees 100. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Here given that rupees 100 and rupees 5. Okay, then we have to take the division of 100 rupees by 5 rupees. Okay, distance. Regards table of 5, 5 to the 10. After subtracting these, we get cancel out, and here we have to take 0. 5 0 is 0. After subtracting these, we have to take. After subtracting these, we get cancel marks. Okay, distance. It means that here we get 20 as question. Therefore, we can write here 20. It means that 25 rupees notes make rupees 100. Okay, distance. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, distance. Distance, please revise all given question in this chapter. Okay, thank you.